Hello and welcome to Realistic Portraits for Beginners. Realistic Portraits for Beginners is a simple to follow painting process that works for acrylic painters and oil portrait painters. Unlike most portrait painting courses that only solve a single piece of the puzzle, oftentimes leaving you more confused, frustrated, and overwhelmed than when you started, Realistic Portraits for Beginners is the puzzle itself. All you have to do is complete the right steps in the right order, and I'll be right alongside you every step of the way, so you can feel confident in your skill and style and never doubt your talent again. My name is Beth Gatza. I am a professional portrait painter and art teacher, and I'm here to help you paint realistic portraits without losing your unique style. Welcome to Realistic Portraits for Beginners. The core of this course is comprised of 3 main modules: Foundation, Build, and Transform. In Module 1, Foundation, we'll cover topics such as targeting your strengths and weaknesses, mastering your materials, and color mixing made easy. In Module 2, Build, we'll focus on topics such as perfect proportions, building and underpainting, and lit from within glazing. Finally, in Module 3, Transform, we'll explore techniques such as realistic rendering, you will watch and practice painting portraits, and you will learn where to troubleshoot, share, and critique your work. By the end of this course, you will have increased your confidence in portrait painting skills and be able to paint realistic portraits with your own unique style. You will know how to use color effectively and confidently, explore different techniques for building your portrait paintings with ease, and troubleshoot, share, and critique your own work. You will also have a community of fellow artists to work with and learn from. Now, before we begin, it is important for me to lay out the expectations I have of you. First, if you need help, ask in the community. We have a great group of beginner, intermediate, and experienced portrait painters that can answer your questions and provide feedback. Utilizing the community is essential for everyone's success, so please take advantage of it. Secondly, do not skip steps while watching or painting, and practice regularly. The steps are designed to be applied in a very specific order, which also includes the steps for preparation. Even if you think you already understand what the step is, please be patient and watch the video to ensure that our process aligns with one another. So be sure to gesso your paintings, build your underpaintings, practice your glazing, and troubleshoot with the group. Remember, practice makes progress. Third, give yourself grace and learn to try new things. It's easy for us to fall back into habits and patterns that we're familiar with. Yet, by taking this course, I'm asking you to trust me in trying something new and to give yourself grace while doing it. Now, let's talk about how long this course should take you if you're following my schedule. So, this course was designed for you to follow it in order through all 9 steps. You may skip around at the beginning when you're familiarizing yourself with everything, but once you've done that, please go back to the beginning and follow along in order. The course should take 10 to 12 weeks to complete, although this number may vary depending on how long it takes to complete each portrait. More information on your painting timeline can be found at the beginning of Step 8. I know that if you follow these steps, you're going to do great, and I really cannot wait to see what you create. Okay, let's get started.